Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Chrome browser. Chrome typically handles updates automatically, working quietly in the background to keep your browser current. However, it is a good practice to know how to manually check for and apply updates. This ensures you always have the latest security patches, performance enhancements, and new features, providing a smoother and safer browsing experience. It only takes a few moments of your time. To manually check for an update, first open your Chrome browser. Look for the three vertical dots icon in the top right corner of your browser window and click it. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Help, then click on About Google Chrome. Your browser will immediately begin checking for any available updates and start downloading them if found. Once the update has finished downloading, you will see a Relaunch button appear next to the version number. Simply click this button to apply the update. Chrome will then close and automatically reopen, restoring all your previously open tabs and windows. This quick restart ensures that all the new features and security fixes are fully implemented, usually taking just a few seconds. Keeping Chrome updated is crucial for your online safety and experience. Updates regularly patch security vulnerabilities, protecting you from potential threats. They also introduce new functionalities and improve browser speed. If you encounter issues, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A simple restart of your computer can often resolve any update-related problems, getting you back to smooth browsing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.